On Friday, 23rd June 2023, the PI ICT Academy conducted a visit to Ikra English High School and Junior College, Ahmednagar and Azmat Fatima English Medium High School and Junior College, Shrirampur, with the aim of providing students an opportunity to learn about computer hardware, mobile repairing, robotics, and cybersecurity along with spoken English. The visit was attended by Mrs. Samreen Shaikh, Director PI ICT Academy, Mr. Amin Shaikh, Director Azam IT, Mr. Sabir Shaikh, Trustee Azam Campus, Ms. Nasrin Mangalgiri, Coordinator PI ICT Academy, Mr. Shamsher Sayed, Coordinator PI ICT Academy, Mr. Arif Sayed, Coordinator PI ICT Academy, Ms. Sama Sayed, Coordinator PI Academy of Spoken English, Ms. Fiza Memon, Coordinator PI Academy of Spoken English, and mentors of computer hardware, mobile repairing, robotics, cybersecurity, and spoken English. The school management was also present at the seminar. During the visit, the mentors demonstrated their projects and explained the concepts of their respective subjects to the students. The students were encouraged to ask questions and clarify their doubts. The visit had a positive impact on the students as they gained knowledge and practical experience in various fields. The visit helped enhance their understanding of spoken English, computer hardware, mobile repairing, robotics, and cybersecurity, and also motivated them to explore these areas further. The mentors' explanations were clear and easy to understand, which made the learning process more effective. Overall, the ICT Academy's visit to Ahmednagar and Shrirampur was a success. The mentors' explanations and practical demonstrations helped the students gain valuable insights into the subjects of computer hardware, mobile repairing, robotics, and cybersecurity. The visit also highlighted the Academy's commitment to promoting education and providing opportunities for students to learn and grow.